Today, we're cracking the code and revealing the thrilling world of merch by Amazon tiers. If you're an aspiring designer eager to turn your artwork into cash, you've hit the jackpot with this video. So, buckle up, and let's dive into the tiers that can take your merch game to the next level. But wait, there's more. As a bonus, we'll share some pro tips on how to succeed in each tier and maximize your earnings. So, let's level up your merch business. And don't you dare subscribe, for personal reasons. Now let's unveil the tiers of merch by Amazon together. Merch by Amazon offers 4 tiers: T1, T2, T3, and T4. Each tier has its own unique benefits and restrictions. Let's dive into them. The T1 tier is where it all begins. It's perfect for beginners since you don't need any prior sales or experience to join. In this tier, you can upload up to 10 designs per day and have a maximum of 25 live designs. It's a great starting point to get your feet wet and understand the platform. Once you start gaining momentum, you'll unlock the T2 tier. With this tier, you'll be able to upload up to 50 designs per day and have a maximum of 100 live designs. This allows you to experiment with more designs and increase your earning potential. Now let's move on to the T3 tier. To unlock this tier, you need to sell at least 500 products from your designs. Once you reach T3, you can upload an impressive 500 designs per day and have a maximum of 500 live designs. This is where your creativity can truly shine and your sales can skyrocket. Lastly, we have the T4 tier, the pinnacle of merch by Amazon. To unlock T4, you must have a consistent sales track record and fulfill certain criteria set by Amazon. In this tier, you can upload a whopping 1,000 designs per day and have an astonishing 10,000 live designs. T4 offers unrivaled potential for those who are serious about their merch business. Remember, as you progress through the tiers, it's important to focus on quality and market research. Ensure your designs resonate with your target audience and stand out from the crowd. All right, as promised, here are some tips on how to succeed in each tier. For Tier 1, nail your niche. Focus on a specific niche or target audience to create designs that truly resonate with potential buyers. By catering to a specific group, you'll increase the chances of attracting passionate customers who love your unique creations. Now for Tier 2, refine your best sellers. Identify your top-performing designs from Tier 1 and improve them further. Analyze customer feedback and incorporate suggestions to make them even more appealing. Tier 3, target international markets. Expand your horizons by translating your designs or creating region-specific versions. This opens up opportunities to reach a global audience and tap into new markets. Last tip for Tier 4, automate processes. With a high number of designs, consider streamlining your workflow with automation tools or outsourcing. This allows you to manage your growing business more efficiently. I hope that gave you some value. Let's unlock the merch maverick within you. Forget about subscribing. Just share your merch journey in the comments below. Let's embark on this epic adventure together.